Road we are seeing is also very, very bad.
So for how long have you been here now?
For say 4 or 5 years now, the road has been like this. It has been like this. So we are seeking for the help of the government to come and help us here. We are really suffering. To go to Ring Road is 800 or 600 naira to go to just Ring Road here. So we need the support and the help of the government to help us in this city. We are really suffering.
We wrote to FERMA, to the council chairman then, House of Assembly, House of Rep, to Senate. All this with a reminder letters. We even wrote to Fashola, the Minister for Works and Houses. We even wrote a reminder letter to him. Up till now, sir, with due respect, nothing is going on. Our children go for school from 1 o'clock, but they will get to 1:30. They will get home around 7:30, 8 in the night. Before you go to school in the morning, you woke up as early as 4 o'clock. And the children are too small for that. So we are going to stress.
Even blind man, when he come here, he go nearly cry. I don't see what they complain about. It's serious. On Saturday, I call Minister Fashola myself, to tell and say they protest because of this federal road. Yeah. I call the controller of works. You have seen this problem. What did you tell me? You say you don't have any discharge point. What discharge point do we need to rehabilitate this stretch? What discharge point do we need? I mean, this is a major federal trunk road. This is a major federal trunk road. I accept that the rains have been falling, but it's almost 1 week now that the rain stopped falling. What have you people done? I hope we are not playing politics with federal roads. I hope you are not playing politics with federal roads. You have who are the contractors you gave them to? They don't have name? No, they have names. Who are they? Grey youths, let me make a promise to you. Without federal government, we will survive. Yes. Tomorrow, I will bring my contractors here. I will bring my contractors here. Just promise me one thing. Open up the roads. I will bring the contractors. You and your youth leaders, you will protect them. Let them rehabilitate this stretch from bypass to from RCC. They will start work tomorrow. I want peace, that's all. If you give me peace, I will give you development. Great youth! Great youth!
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.